I'll be showing you step by step how you can set up your Klaviyo welcome sequence for your Shopify store. Let's dive right into it here. I'm going to assume you already have Klaviyo installed. If you don't, it's available on the Shopify App Store and they do have a completely free plan. So make sure you install it before following along. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at the welcome series. You can set this up for any of the integrations you have. Maybe it's when a customer first signs up for your email newsletter. You want to send them this flow in an automated sequence to get them acquainted with your brand. You can tell them about your values, the different products you sell. It's a great way as a get to know me for your customers, which can help entice the sale. So in terms of setting this up, this will be under the flows section of your Klaviyo dashboard, as I'm assuming you're already set up at this point and you can follow along. So let's click on flows on the left-hand side. Now this is a brand new account, so you get a lot of different ideas for flows here that have not been set up yet. As we can see on the left-hand side, it's going to be the welcome series. This is probably going to be the first one you're going to set up. And you can see this flow has created a combined $30 million a month for Klaviyo users, which is a giant amount. The default flow is going to be 3 email series that provides a warm introduction into your business. So let's use this template here, as that will make things easier. And you should be able to see this under view all ideas if it's not showing up here, as they're essentially just pre-built templates to make it easier to set up your flows. When you click the setup sequence, the first part is to choose which subscriber list this is going to. If you're using different email pop-ups that have integrations with Klaviyo, you would have had the choice to name a list here. You can also search for a list, but right now I'm just going to select the newsletter list and hit continue. It should also integrate with your Shopify store to get email subscribers if you have a newsletter pop-up at the bottom. So then overall, this is the flow editor for Klaviyo. So on your left-hand side, you have your different actions, and these can be dragged into the flow sequence to add more elements. So you have email, SMS, update profile property, so you can update different pieces of data about the user, notifications, webhooks. You probably won't need webhooks unless you're using a little more advanced integrations. Then you have your different delays. So one is going to be a time delay. We can see them already active in this template. So wait 3 days. Then you have logic. So these are conditional splits here. So you can say if a customer does something, send this email, or if they do something else, send that email. So that's your left-hand side. In the center, you have your flow, and it's going to go from top to bottom in sequence of the events. So for this flow that's already been set up with the template, you have your trigger. So this is when someone is added to the flow. In this case, the trigger is going to be when someone subscribes to the newsletter. From there, you're going to send your first email. This one is called welcome series email. The customer isn't going to see that. Rather, they'll see the subject line and it says, thanks for signing up. Then you have your time delay. So it says, wait 3 days, send them a second email, wait 4 days, send them a final email. Then it's going to exit this series here. Now for each of these elements, you can click onto them, and on the left-hand side, you'll get your different analytics and your editor. Let's say for right now, we're good with the number of emails and we want to go edit the content. To do so, let's click on this email number 1. And then we'll go to the left-hand side and hit edit here. I want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your business. You'll have a clear understanding of your profit metric, as well as a variety of different details. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time analytics, and it's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, TikTok, and Pinterest. As you can see here, there's quite a few different profit metrics that really give you a solid understanding of your Shopify store. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing. You can also find it in the App Store by searching ProfitCalc, both of which get you access to the 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. This will bring us to our overall email edit. On the left-hand side, we have the content. So we have the name of the email, the subject line, the preview text. This will show up if the email app allows it, and just give you a preview of what the email is. I would recommend filling this out, as if that's not filled out, it would just take the email itself. I might just duplicate this thanks for signing up here. So for this video, let's go over and edit just some basic email content. With thanks for signing up, I'm going to add an emoji here, maybe just put a celebration, and maybe just access your exclusive discount or something along those lines. Let's see overall for the email. You also do get the option to create an A/B test, but we're not going to go into that for this video. Rather, let's go to edit email so we can edit the actual content. So this will open up the actual email editor rather than the overall. So on the left-hand side, again, we're going to have our settings here. So you get different product blocks, which you can then add into your email. So if you want to add any of these in, you can take it, drag it over, and then drop the content in here. This is an image one. I now get the option to upload an image. I'll go in another video, a detailed explanation of everything in here. But for now, let's just remove this image, remove this block, and add a smiley face. You also get the option to preview mobile and desktop here. And because this is a free plan, the Klaviyo logo will be at the bottom. So I'll hit save and exit, and that'll be how you edit the email for your welcome series. And you can go into each of these emails here, hit hit edit to go and edit that email. Let's say I want to add a fourth email, a fifth email. I want to make this a multi-week long sequence. Maybe it's going to take them a while to get to know my brand and the values that it shows off. So to add more elements, you want to go to the left-hand side, click on the element and hold, and you can then drag it in here. It's going to be a time delay. Maybe I want it to be 10 days after, creating a little break here from when they first subscribed, their third email, and then this final fourth email. So I'll hit save there. Then maybe I want to send an SMS this time. Now you should have this set up here. It's going to require a different setup than the email, but I can drag this below here. I can go and configure that content to whatever I want it to be. You can also drag these around here. Maybe I want these two emails to send right away. Maybe I want to change the time delay. I can click on the element and go and edit the number of days, hours, or minutes. I can also delay until a specific time of day based on the user's time zone. So once you're done editing this, you want to hit review and turn on. I'm also just going to remove this SMS content, and that's not currently set up in this account. But I'll hit review and turn on, then suddenly this will become live. And once I hit turn on there, the welcome series is going to be set up. If you ever want to turn this off, you just go to update action statuses, and I can say it's going to be draft again. In terms of where to spend your time in this welcome sequence, really make sure you're focusing on the first email. This is most likely going to be the email with the highest open rate. So throw some gifts in there, throw some personality. Make sure you're really utilizing this chance to show off your brand and explain what you're about. You can entice the customer to purchase from you. So I hope this gave you a good explanation on how to set up your welcome series for Klaviyo. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment.